Welcome back to Front Page Holistic Natural Remedies. Today, we will explore the top 8 food items that are essential to incorporate into your daily diet for optimal liver health. Your liver, a vital organ, plays a crucial role in detoxifying your body and maintaining overall well-being. It's time to give your liver the attention it rightfully deserves. Please stay tuned until the end to discover an incredible bonus ingredient that can significantly contribute to the health of your liver. Before we delve into the list, let's gain a comprehensive understanding of why a proper and balanced diet is imperative for maintaining optimal liver health. Your liver tirelessly works to filter out toxins and metabolize nutrients, and by consuming the right types of food, you can effectively support its functions and promote longevity. Let's understand the fundamental functions of the liver. Detoxification is one of the crucial roles of the liver as it aids in eliminating harmful substances from the body. Metabolism involves the liver processing fats, proteins, and carbohydrates. Nutrient storage is another vital function of the liver as it stores essential vitamins and minerals. Furthermore, the liver converts nutrients into energy, thus playing a role in energy production. Now, let's delve into the top 8 foods that can help maintain excellent liver health. Before we proceed, kindly consider subscribing to our channel and activating notifications for future video updates. If you found this video helpful, please show your support by liking and sharing. 1. Fatty fish. Fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, are excellent choices for promoting liver health. These types of fish are rich in omega-3 fatty acids, which are essential fats with numerous health benefits, including liver support. Omega-3 fatty acids help reduce liver inflammation and improve its function. Moreover, they assist in reducing the accumulation of fat in the liver, which can contribute to conditions like fatty liver disease. Additionally, fatty fish provide high-quality protein, essential nutrients like vitamin D, and play a vital role in maintaining liver health. Consider incorporating grilled, baked, or broiled fatty fish, such as salmon and mackerel, into your diet for a delicious and nourishing way to support the well-being of your liver. Your liver will greatly appreciate it. 2. Leafy green vegetables. Leafy green vegetables such as spinach and kale, for instance, are nutritional powerhouses that are abundant in beneficial antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. These essential nutrients play a vital role in supporting the detoxification processes of your liver. Leafy greens are particularly rich in chlorophyll, a natural pigment that aids in the elimination of toxins from the liver. Moreover, they serve as an excellent source of immune-boosting vitamins A and C, helping safeguard the liver against potential damage. Incorporating green leafy vegetables into your meals is remarkably simple. You can enjoy them in refreshing salads, nutrient-packed smoothies, or even lightly sautéed as a wholesome side dish. 3. Apples. Apples, with their delightful and crunchy characteristics, are a fruit that promotes liver health. They are abundant in fiber and antioxidants, aiding in the reduction of liver inflammation and assisting in detoxification. Enjoy apples as a nutritious snack, add them to salads, or incorporate them into smoothies for a revitalizing taste and enhanced liver well-being. 4. Green tea. Green tea, with its calming aroma and gentle taste, is a beverage that can aid in liver support. It is abundant in antioxidants, specifically catechins, which contribute to shielding the liver from oxidative stress and inflammation. Furthermore, it aids in the detoxification process of the liver, facilitating the elimination of toxins and potentially harmful substances. Embrace the pleasurable experience of green tea as a warm or iced drink to hydrate while promoting the well-being of your liver. 5. Blueberries. Blueberries, known for their vivid hue and delightful combination of sweetness and tartness, serve as an excellent supplement to enhance liver health. These berries possess a high concentration of antioxidants, specifically anthocyanins, which act as a shield against oxidative harm inflicted on liver cells. Additionally, blueberries actively aid the liver's inherent detoxification processes, enabling the elimination of toxins and detrimental compounds. Incorporate blueberries into your diet as a snack, in smoothies, or as a garnish for yogurt, enriching both liver health and indulging your cravings for a touch of sweetness. 6. Avocados. Avocado, with its silky smooth consistency and gentle taste, is an extraordinary inclusion to promote the wellness of your liver. Avocados are abundant in beneficial monounsaturated fats and antioxidants like glutathione, which can shield your liver from harm. These verdant gems also stimulate the generation of enzymes that assist in detoxifying the liver. You can relish avocados when sliced on toast, added to salads, or as the star ingredient in guacamole. 7. Walnuts. Walnuts, renowned for their exquisite flavor and distinctive form, are a superfood that enhances liver health. Packed with omega-3 fatty acids and antioxidants, walnuts aid in diminishing liver inflammation and promoting optimal functioning. Incorporate walnuts in salads, oatmeal, or as a delectable topping to enjoy their delightful taste while providing a nourishing boost to your liver. 8. Garlic. Garlic, with its strong aroma and distinctive taste, provides numerous benefits for liver health. This powerful bulb contains allicin, a compound renowned for its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, which safeguard the liver against oxidative stress and inflammation. Additionally, garlic aids in the detoxification processes of the liver, enhancing its ability to efficiently eliminate toxins and harmful substances. Incorporating garlic into meals is effortless. Simply incorporate it into sauces, stir fries, or roasted dishes. By including garlic in your diet, you not only elevate the flavors of your dishes, but also promote optimal liver health. Now for our bonus ingredient. Let's now explore the additional element that contributes to the well-being of our liver. Coffee, a widely consumed beverage, possesses beneficial properties for liver health. With its rich fragrance and strong flavor, coffee serves as more than just a morning stimulant. It contains compounds such as chlorogenic acids and caffeol that aid in reducing liver inflammation and safeguarding against liver diseases. Studies have indicated that moderate and regular consumption of coffee is associated with a reduced risk of liver conditions, including fatty liver disease and liver cancer. Embracing coffee in moderation throughout the day as a warm beverage not only provides a caffeine boost, but also promotes potential advantages for the overall wellness of your liver. By incorporating coffee into your diet, you can enjoy not only its delightful taste but also contribute to the well-being of your liver. Now, let us examine the types of foods that should be avoided in order to safeguard your liver's well-being. These include beverages with excessive sugar content, and overindulgence in alcoholic drinks, processed food items, fried delicacies, and foods that have high sodium levels. In addition, to further promote liver health, keep in mind the following recommendations. Ensure adequate hydration. Maintain a healthy body weight. Partake in regular physical exercise. Limit the intake of alcohol. Ensure sufficient rest. And manage stress levels through relaxation techniques. The liver is an extraordinary organ that warrants optimal care. By integrating these 8 nourishing foods into your diet and adhering to our advice, you can safeguard its health and facilitate optimal functioning. Maintaining a well-functioning liver is crucial for your overall well-being and vitality. When it comes to individual dietary needs, it's important to remember that they vary, and while natural remedies are helpful, they are not a substitute for professional medical advice. Therefore, it's highly recommended to consult a healthcare professional for personalized advice. By approaching your diet consciously, you can proactively take steps towards maintaining and leading a healthier life. Thank you for joining us today. If you found this video informative, please consider liking, subscribing, and sharing it with others. Please be sure to check back for additional and informative health tips from Front Page Holistic Natural Remedies. Until we connect again, ensure you're taking good care of yourself and your remarkable liver.